All right, here we go. Good luck, Rodney. What's up, John? Any preference on which one you want to do first? Soccer or draft? All right, we'll do soccer first. All right, you got it. Here we go. Good luck, senor. Doing 2015 Donruss soccer first. This would completely. I got to restock on soccer now. Come on, gold. The gold or something. This stuff. Inserts. Alright, yeah, dual autograph, triple autograph, quad auto, oof, anything big. One of those big autographs. This one's been sitting up there for a while. We got insert and David Luiz jersey variation. Wetzel. Nothing yet. Koke. I like saying that name. Variations and numbered cards, please. All right, cool. Where's that, Luis? Right there. Did you win? You didn't put in on this, man. Oh yeah, sell off your rock hold autographs right now. Bale. Still no numbers. No sir, never got your text. Last text I have from you was... Jeez, I don't even have a text from you. December 12th. That's the last time I have a text from you. December 12th. You don't want me to show that text off. $95 of 99. Alessio Cerci. Fantastic finishers. Sorry. $170 of 299. Oribe Peralta. Bronze. Insert. That's like a little thicker. I don't know why. Oribe Peralta. There's our autograph. Marco Verratti. Paris Saint-Germain. Future stars. Signed it all on the sticker. Respected the sticker. Neymar. Alright, we need some soccer balls. Or something short printed. Basileos Torosiris out of 299. And Edinson Cavani jersey variation. Rafinha, or Rafinha, sorry, Rafinha. Space. Nice mohawk. $85 of 99, Antoine Griezmann. There it is. Mandzukic. Uh-oh. I think we got a gold. Oh, we're going to save the gold. I think we got a gold. I'm not 100% sure. I think we have a gold. Don't quote me on it. Alright, here we go. What do we got? Ready? That looks like gold. That does look like gold, right? That looks like gold right there. That's the Panini Gold. Panini Gold. James Rodriguez, 3 of 10 gold. Wow. Oh, very nice. Is he any good? Very good. Only plays for one of the best teams in the world. Gold. Gold. Very nice. Very nice. Did you? Nice. And that was the box. That was dope. James Rodriguez, 3 of 10 at Paris Saint-Germain. Marco Verratti. Very nice box. Verratti. Marco Verratti. What was the autograph? Oh, gosh. She called in the middle of break. Ugh, what is she doing? Hey, I'm breaking right now. Call me back later. There we go, Hobby. Good luck, Rodney. Chrome. We've got Andrew Benintendi. That number. We've got Mikey White. There's our autograph. We'll save that to the end. See who that is. See if we can get anything else. Lucas Williams refractor. You got it, sir. You got it. Thank you. Cornelius Randolph refractor. John Harris. It's the drugs, man. Garrett Whitley. Refractor, Matt Olson. Another refractor, Ahmed Rosario. Refractor, Andrew Suarez. Christian Stewart, black. That's not a number. That's sorry, let me show you that one. 269 of 499 on Christian Stewart. Ryan Mountcastle refractor. Baby blue, Ryan Burr, Arizona Diamondbacks. Thomas Eshelman. Not numbered. Ash Russell for the Royals. James Kaprielian. Avery Romero. Die cut, Tyler Beede, Phil Bickford. And the last pack before the autograph, we've got Lucas Sims. Alright, our autograph is gonna be shortstop, Ryan Mountcastle. Very nice. Very nice, Ryan Mountcastle. 36th overall pick for the Orioles. Very nice. Cool. Very nice little 2 boxes. Thank you, Rodney.